How to set up BitLocker encryption on Windows. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to set up BitLocker encryption on Windows. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, using Windows search bar, type in gpedit. Now, Edit Group Policy option will appear. Click Open to access it. Under Computer Configuration, select Administrative Templates. Open Windows Components folder. Now, you need to search for BitLocker Encryption and open it. Now, you need to click Operating System Drives. Double-click on Require Additional Authentication at Startup. A new window will appear where you need to simply select Enable option. And then you need to check the box for Allow BitLocker without a compatible TPM. And after that, you need to click Apply button and then click on OK button. Now you simply need to close the group policy editor. And once done, you need to activate BitLocker. Click the search bar again and type in Control Panel. Open it. Now among this option, you need to search for System and Security. It might be available on your section. If it is not, then let's check under Security and Maintenance option. And here, or else from this control panel, you can directly enter on BitLocker Drive Encryption at top of the screen. When you launch it, you need to click Turn on BitLocker and BitLocker will check your PC's configuration. Wait for a while. And after that, you need to choose your preferred unlock method, whether you want to use insert of a USB flash drive or use a password or enter a PIN. So let's enter the PIN, and here you need to choose a PIN that's 6 to 20 numbers long and we enter the PIN. After that, you need to click on Set PIN and then set and confirm your PIN, and then you have to click the next button. After that, you need to save the recovery key, and after that you need to choose a location on your PC, click Save and then Next to save or select a file. After that, you need to configure the encryption settings and then restart your PC, unlock the drive, and you have successfully set up BitLocker encryption on your PC. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.